Hello. If you've got a wide diameter column or post that you need to wrap with balloons, it can be a little challenging at times, but this is a really simple way of achieving it, and one that basically will fit any diameter column and is infinitely adaptable. All you need to do is to choose the size of balloon that you want, depending on the effect that you're after, and tie them into duplets, but tie them so that the knot is very close to the neck roll rather than the balloon, so you've got lots of stretch between. Now, with this size balloon and this diameter post, then I'm going to need 8 balloons to go around it, which means 4 duplets. I've done them in 2 colours so that it's clear what's going on, but of course you can change the colours, combinations of colours to suit. Use 1 colour, 3 colours, even 8 different colours. Make patterns and all sorts of different styles, but the technique is exactly the same. So take your first duplet, and I need to keep track of which is the first balloon in the chain that we're going to create, so I'll just hook my finger over that. And then take the second duplet and wrap the colour over like that, all the way around, so that we go green, white, green. Move on, add in the third duplet, do the same, and add in the fourth duplet, do the same. Just literally twist them around close to the balloons, and then you have made yourself a chain of balloons that are all linked together like this. And then it's a matter of just simply wrapping the chain around the post and twisting the first and last balloon around each other again, and then we can just push them down into position. And if they have gone out of colour sequence, then it's very easy at this point just to switch them over. These two are out, so I'm just going to move them, and that is all there is to it. Push them down and they sit nicely. So we'll do that again just to be sure. Hook your finger over the first one in the chain, wrap the second one around like so, third duplet all the way around like so, and fourth duplet all the way around. Then just wrap the chain around the post, wrap the first and last balloons over each other, settle them into position and push down a little. This puts very little stress on the balloons at all. It is very kind to the balloons, and so they're going to be long lasting, they're easy to work with. And as I say, you can adapt it to suit. If you've got a much wider column than this, but you want to cover it with the same size balloon, just add more duplets into your chain. You can have fewer duplets with slightly larger balloons. It is completely flexible and very easy to achieve. Lots more tips like this can be found on our YouTube channel, Amscan International, and on the Decorator Hub. Either scan the QR code that you see at the end of this video or visit amscan.co.uk and click on the Decorator Hub button. Thank you.